Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Pionex application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, there is no official PC application for the Pionex crypto trading bot. Therefore, the only way to do this is to use an Android emulator on your PC and then install the Android version of the application. So in order to do this, first of all, just open up your web browser and then download and install any Android emulator. BlueStacks is a popular option that works with most systems flawlessly. So go into bluestacks.com and then simply click on the download button to download the BlueStacks installer. Once the installer is downloaded, just go ahead and open it up and cycle through the next buttons to install the BlueStacks emulator. Once you install the BlueStacks emulator, just open up the app launcher and then you can open up the Google Play Store. You may be asked to log into your Google account, so just go ahead and log into your existing Google account. Then you can simply use the search box to search for Pionex. And when you find the application, just go ahead and tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Pionex crypto trading bot on your PC. Wait for a while until the download and installation is complete, and when you see the open button, just tap on it to open up the Pionex application. And now you can use the Pionex application on your PC as well by either signing into your account or signing up to create a new account. This will also create a shortcut for the Pionex application on your desktop. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Pionex application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.